this is actually like, you know, you get like one and you get two. This is a double lock.
Okay.
But I will say, all right, guys, we're gonna keep creeping through this place. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And I'm still downstairs. I hadn't even made it upstairs. So I assume this is the sitting area when you first come in, because that's where you first come in. Yeah, this is interesting. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh, there's a thing there. Not yet. Okay, that's the bathroom right there, which is nice. Another downstairs bedroom. I guess this for when, you know, you can't make it upstairs. Yeah, it's very nice. But you got it, man. You got it. We're gonna cut a deal for you.
Oh man.
Man, look at these walls. Man, this is the real deal. All right. I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. What's going on upstairs?
A lot.
A lot. All right, guys. We're taking it upstairs. Man. But like I was telling the young lady, you know, the people build these houses, they buy the land, they get an architect, and they design it the way that they want to design it. And yeah, keep in mind, you know, obviously if you buy the home, you can pass it down to family members. There's all kind of things you can do. So another bedroom, options. You got options, but you got to kind of do it the right way, which is not the hard way. It's actually the easiest way. But if you're looking for a shortcut, good luck with that. Okay. So this is what they call a pajama lounge. This is where everybody can come out and meet, watch TV, talk, or whatnot. And then we go this way. There's another bedroom. He got his own bathroom. And then what I like about it, that you can come out here. This is cool. Keep in mind, guys, we're upstairs, overviewing your property. Look at that. Yeah. It's kind of like a lantern, right? A little bit. Hey, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. Yeah. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Yeah, this is just like a lantern. You can do what?
The rolling hills.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get up on top, you probably can see the ocean.
So you can build something up there. Yeah, or up there. So now we're still upstairs, guys. We ain't even went downstairs. Well, we already been down there. This must be the master bedroom. Yeah, this must be the master bedroom. Or the main bedroom. Or the master bedroom. One or the other.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss out on all things The Real South Africa. Thanks again.